Can you say d? You do it. Did you just finish lunch? What does the fish say? What does an owl say? What does a monkey say? What does a dog say? Huh? Yeah, there's Daddy. What does a chicken say? Bawk, 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 bawk. Bawk, 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 bawk. What did you have for lunch? Did you have apples? Did you have water? Water. Did you have cheese? Yeah? Cheese. Did you have sweet potatoes? Is that a plane? Charlotte, can you say da? Can you blow Mommy a kiss? Can you go You do it. Good job. Can you say bye? Bye. Can you say bye? You're so smart. I love you.